Hey everyone. So today, we're diving into something that honestly, gets my heart racing every tax season, tax scams.
You know, it's a tough time of year for a lot of people, and with that, we see a surge in these scams that can really mess with folks' lives. So let's break it down, and talk about what we can do to stay safe and protect ourselves from these shady practices. So first off, let's talk about the landscape of tax fraud. Did you know that in 2024, the IRS uncovered, a staggering $9
$1 billion in fraudulent claims. Yeah, that's a huge number. But honestly, it's probably just the tip of the iceberg because a lot of people don't report being scammed.
They might feel embarrassed or just not know where to go for help, which is totally understandable. And one thing that really stands out is the common tactics these scammers use.
You've got your classic IRS impersonation calls, they'll call you and threaten you with arrest if you don't pay up immediately.
It's so alarming. And then there are those fake refund notifications that pop up in your inbox, claiming you're due for a big payout. It's just, super sketchy.
The IRS even has a list called the Dirty Dozen, which highlights the most common scams for 2025, so familiarize yourself with that. These scams peak during tax season, so it's essential to stay alert. Now, let's get real for a sec. It's easy to get swept up in the stress of tax season, and that's when we're most vulnerable. I mean, who hasn't, felt that panic when you see a message that looks official? I know I have, so take a breath and, do your research.
Chip Capelli, a tax professional, emphasizes the importance of verifying any suspicious communications. Seriously, just take your time. It could save you a lot of heartache down the line. And then there are these ghost prepares.
They're a nightmare, These are people who pose as tax professionals, but, they don't have the credentials. They'll promise you big refunds, and then you find out they're just taking advantage of you.
Recognizing the signs is crucial. If someone's offering services for cash only or refuses to sign your return, that's a huge red flag. So, how do we protect ourselves? First, be cautious online. Use secure methods to share your info, and seriously consider installing anti-phishing software. And, check those website links carefully before clicking. Oh, and don't forget to assign an identity protection PIN through the IRS. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. But, what if you've already been scammed? It's a hard pill to swallow, but you need to take action. Report it to the IRS immediately. It might feel embarrassing, but it's vital.
You're not alone in this, and there are people who can help you. As we wrap this up, I just want to say you're really not alone in this battle against scams. There are coalitions out there like CAST working tirelessly to combat tax fraud.
So, let's keep educating ourselves about these scams. The more we know, the better we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. I mean, yeah, it's a tough situation, but there's always something positive to take away. I'm grateful for the resources available to help us navigate this mess. And, we can lean on each other during these stressful times.
So, if you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences regarding tax scams.
Let's keep this conversation going and help each other stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and take care.